Hi everyone, we're back with another workflow. This time it's about automating glossary content. It all starts with 4 to 5 inputs. So it starts with a target keyword, brand kit, blog post word count, and competitor article URL. Basically, glossary content is a factual content and is SEO friendly, which makes it all very easy for automation. So we start with all of these 4 inputs, and this competitor article URL is an optional one because in the workflow, there is a competitor research step where top 25 results for the target keyword is being crawled and the content is generated, the expert outline, the FAQ is all generated with that research. So here you can add any specific URLs that you want to crawl that you have as an inspiration. So this is how the output looks like. So it has everything right from the meta title, the description, and it starts with the key takeaways and ends with the FAQ. So it has everything for a glossary content, the formulas, and all the internal links are added. So it's a complete blog or a glossary content that is created with the help of complete competitor research and the particular word count that you have mentioned. So let's go through the complete workflow. As I said, it all starts with 4 inputs. So the target keyword, brand kit, word count, and competitor article URLs. Then there comes an competitor research step. So this is where the SEO data is pulled for the 25 ranking competitor URLs. Then there is a Python step that validates this data. Then we also pull the internal links with the help of the sitemap. And before this internal links, there is 3 LLM steps that takes the data from the competitor research and creates FAQ sections, the meta title, description, and the expert outline. Finally, the content generation part comes in. So this is an iterative step and the content is generated with the help of Claude. Finally, there is 3 steps that edits the content. So this is an editor step. So this section creates the content, creates all the technical definitions, and this is where the content is put together and then edited. So it has the key takeaways, the introduction, the main sections, the FAQs, and the conclusion. Then there is a final formatting output. This is where the formatting is done, and this is all GPT, and the content is generated with the help of Claude. And finally, you can add a Word document step or a Google Docs step or either Webflow or WordPress step where you can make the complete content live directly. So it's a fast and consistent and technically accurate, perfect for automation. So let me know what you think or if you'd like to try this out.